You are welcome to TairuBoostIQ Mathematics Academy, and I said everybody can solve simultaneous equation using this method. Let's go. First of all, we are going to solve this simultaneous equation using determinant method. There are other methods, which is elimination, substitution, graphical method, and constructor method. So now what we are going to do is we are going to use AX is equals to B. What did this A stand for? A stands for the quotient of x here is 1 to form a new matrix. The quotient of x here is 2. The quotient of y here is 1. The quotient of y here is 1. What this x stands for? The x stands for the two unknown, which is x and y. We are going to represent it in a column matrix. Then while the letter B stands for what? The equals to, which is 5 and 7. Step 1. That is how you do it. You pick the quotient of x. If it is 2 that is here, here will be 2. If it is 3 that is 3s, you pick 3s. The next step is for us to find the determinant. And the determinant must not be equal to 0. Any determinant that equals to 0 and is the simultaneous equation, it means that there is no solution to that question. The determinant cannot be 0, and if the determinant is equal to 0, no solution. How can we get our determinant? We are going to use this matrix to get our determinant. This is the sign of determinant. We are going to pick this one here. I'll pick this 2. Okay? 2. I'll pick this one, and I'll pick this one. The next is equals to what? And I'm going to say 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. The minus is always there. 1 times 1. The next is what? 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So it means that our determinant is equal to what? 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Thank God the determinant is not equal to what? 0. You pick this value. You have this straight line. This is the sign of determinant. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 2 times 1. The minus is always there. Is 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. How can we get determinant of x? We are going to find determinant of x. You see this Mr. 5 and 7. We are going to put it in the first column. 5 and 7. You pick this equals to sign and put it in the first column. Then you know the quotient of y is 1, 1. Then you come and pick this 1, 1. Or you can say quotient of y is 1. You pick this 2, 1. You pick this one again. Then you go again. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. What next? 7 times 1 is 7. So our determinant of x, delta x now is equals to what? 5 minus 1 will give us minus 2. 5 times 1 is 5. 7 times 1 is 7. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. We are done. Now we are moving to step 4 to find determinant of y. To find determinant of y, we are going to return our original 1 and 2. This 1 and 2, we'll write it first. 1 and 2. Then this time around, this 5 and 7 is going to the second column. 5 and 7. Then we still find the determinant of y. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 7 is 7. And 2 times 5 will give us 10. Remember the minus is always there. So our determinant of y is now what? Minus 3. Because 7 minus 10 is minus 3. What is our determinant of x? Our determinant of x is minus 2. We put the 2 here. All over. What is our determinant? Our determinant is minus 1. We now put the minus 1 here. Then minus cancel minus. 2 divided by 1 is equals to 2. Now the value of x is 2. Let's move to y. What is the determinant of y? Y is minus 3. What is the determinant? The determinant is minus 1. Minus will cancel minus. 3 divided by 1 is 3. It means that our x is equals to 2. Our y is equals to 3. And if you want to test your answer, 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Mathematics is all about plus algorithm minus aduko times substitute divide social.